In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot My Talking Tom game on your smartphone. So if this app can't open, or it keeps on crashing, or it is too slow, you can't use it, then let me show you how you can troubleshoot this. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so there are quite a number of steps you can take for you to solve any issue with My Talking Tom app. In the first method, we need to access the app info page for us to troubleshoot. For that, just go to settings, and then from settings, scroll down until you find apps. Now under apps, look for the option called manage apps or all apps, and this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now from the list, scroll down until you find your app. Go ahead and tap on it and you'll find this app info page, and this is where we shall do our troubleshooting. However, if you can't access this page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, go back and look for your app, and here's my app. Then long press on it and you'll see we have app info here. If you tap on it again, we shall land on the same app info page. Now under this, we want to clear the app data, and more especially cache data. So we can use this function here, clear data. So if I go to storage first, you can see we have a lot of cache data from this app. Now one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because of accumulation of cache data. Now when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally stores whenever you use it to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So to solve this problem, go ahead and clear all this cache data by tapping on clear data here, and then choose the second option, clear cache, and okay, and you can see cache data has been cleared. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open your app, and this now should have solved your problem. However, should this not solve your problem, then come back to this app info page, and this time around, go ahead and tap on clear all data here, and then okay, and this will solve your problem. However, if this second method didn't solve your problem, then proceed to the third and the last method, and that is to look for any update through either Google Play Store or App Store. So I'll go ahead and look for any update through Google Play Store, and this I'll search for the app and look for any update if it is available. So one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you have been using an outdated version of My Talking Tom app. From here, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of My Talking app. This will fix bugs as well as any lag. At this point now, you should have solved any issue with your app, and now you should be able to play without any problem. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.